Good morning. So we leave in 2 days, and the last time you saw me, it was over the weekend. And I have to be very honest with you. My nails were jacked. I had an awful headache that actually lasted about 3 days, and it's unfortunately it's normal because it's hormonal and it comes with my menstrual cycle. I know, TMI. But anyway, so with all of that, I really couldn't keep like the studio lights on because it was really affecting the migraine, and so I decided to kind of sew in the dark. Which I know sounds really crazy, but I was like, I would lay down for a minute and then I would get up and like just kind of use the natural light to get through my projects. So I have made some progress since we last spoke. Let me show you what I have finished and also what I plan to pack for this trip and what my next project is. This is Simplicity 9388. These are some cargo pants that I made for Joe. All I need to do is funnel through the drawstring and hem the pants. This is Mimi's dress, 9597. Y'all, this is so gorgeous on. I can't wait to wear it to the festival and everything. And this was actually really quick. So finished my pajama set, I believe, before I started filming my vlog for this, but this is my pajama set and I wanted something like super light and airy, just because I know that, you know, staying at my grandma's house, she doesn't have central air, and so I wanted something that was going to be breathable at nighttime. And then I have two oldie but goodies that I plan to bring on this trip, and so let me show you what those are. So for the night that we go to the comedy show, I want to bring my Sicily slip dress, and I actually took 6 inches off the bottom. It's super cute as like a micro mini, and I mean, I don't feel like I'll be, you know, out there too much, especially because I'll be with Joe. So the other thing is the Intrepid Boiler Suit by Allison Co Patterns, and I made this last summer and I only wore it for pictures, never got to actually wear it anywhere. This is super chic. My arms will be covered. Yes, it has shorts, but I'll be fine with that. So yeah. And I know the last time you saw me, I was gonna do 7789 in a leopard. I actually pivoted away from the leopard because it's a rayon challis. And if you know about rayon challis, it has that tendency to grow and stretch as you're working with it, and even while you're wearing it sometimes. And because this pattern is really like a built-in like bra type situation here, I kind of wanted something that was going to be a little bit more stable and wouldn't like lose its wear or stretch, you know, throughout the day. So I have reverted back to this fabric and I'm gonna use it. It's actually like a voile, and I would even say that it airs on the side of poplin. I feel like this is like a mixed textile, if that's a thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using this instead. I'm gonna cut it and then we're gonna work on it. Thankfully for Mccalls 7789, I've already fitted the top area, and then I'm just going to do the skirt on the bottom. So I'm hoping that this comes together quickly, and if it doesn't, then I just have to leave it on the table and get on the plane. Like, I can't think about it too much after that. So I'm going to get to cutting on that, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, girl.
So I just put my new Yitty bra on with this, and you see there's a difference in my cleavage and whatnot, and you can't see the bra from the front. You can see it a little bit in the back, but it's nude and I can wear my hair down, so I think I'm gonna wear my Yitty bra with this.
Hey y'all, so we leave tomorrow and I am so excited about my progress. So I finished my dress, well, kind of. I have put the zipper in there, and now all I have to do is sew down the facing on the inside and give it a hem, and this is done. And I still have to do Joe's hem and my slip dress hem, and then I'm done with my sewing, and it's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm really excited about this progress right now. It took everything in me not to put it on for this video right now. I thought the Mimi G dress was gonna be the dress that I like couldn't wait to wear on vacation, and it's like tied with this one. Not even gonna lie. Oh, there it is. Literally almost made it to thread chicken. All right, so I have hemmed my micro mini Sicily. She's so cute. Oh, it's disappearing. Oh my gosh. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my gosh. That's crazy.